If you're thinking about buying Pentest-Tools, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before you make your decision. Stick around until the end, and I'll break down exactly what makes it stand out from the competition and how to get the best offer. Completely free, by the way, just by using the link in the description. So, first up, Pentest-Tools is a platform designed to make penetration testing easier and more accessible for security professionals and businesses alike. It's an all-in-one suite that includes several advanced testing tools, but what makes it different from other services like Intruder or Nessus? Let's dive into the first thing you need to understand: the pricing structure. Now, Pentest-Tools offers a pretty competitive pricing model, but it's important to know that what you pay for is what you get. Compared to something like Nessus, which can feel a bit like you're being nickel and dimed for every additional feature, Pentest-Tools offers a more straightforward pricing approach with a wide range of testing capabilities included in one package. But here's the catch. Depending on your needs, the pricing might not always work in your favor if you're looking for high-end features. It's something to weigh before you sign up. Next thing, usability. Unlike some of the more complex penetration testing tools, Pentest-Tools focuses on an intuitive, user-friendly experience. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, so even beginners will be able to get the hang of it without feeling overwhelmed. Some platforms like Burp Suite require a steep learning curve and can be cumbersome for first-time users, but Pentest-Tools is designed for faster deployment and real-time scanning. If you're pressed for time and need to run tests quickly, this is definitely an advantage. The third thing you need to know is the support system. Pentest-Tools offers excellent customer service with a responsive team that can help you with any issues. Many competitors, like Qualys, have a much more rigid and slower support system, which can leave you in a bind if you're troubleshooting. But with Pentest-Tools, you'll get access to a knowledgeable support team that's ready to assist. That being said, while it's generally reliable, there's still a slight chance you might face a wait time if there's a high volume of requests. The fourth thing, the tool integrations. Pentest-Tools integrates with various platforms, making it super easy to combine it with other security systems you may already use. This is a huge advantage if you're managing a large-scale operation or need to pull data from multiple sources. Competitors like Acunetics do offer integrations as well, but Pentest-Tools tends to have a wider selection, and the integration process is fairly simple. Next thing is the variety of tests offered. Pentest-Tools gives you access to a wide array of testing modules that allow you to scan networks, web applications, and APIs for vulnerabilities. It's a bit like having a toolbox where you can pick out the exact tool you need for the job. Other penetration testing tools, while powerful, often specialize in one area, like web app scanning or network testing. If you need to cover multiple areas at once, Pentest-Tools is a comprehensive option. Sixth thing, accuracy and results. Having used the platform myself, I can tell you that Pentest-Tools is pretty solid when it comes to finding vulnerabilities. It doesn't throw too many false positives, which is something you often deal with in other tools like OpenVAS. However, the depth of scanning can sometimes feel a bit lighter compared to industry giants like Nessus, so if you need extremely in-depth scans, it's something to keep in mind. Finally, let's talk about how to get started. Unlike some penetration testing tools that can require a complex setup process, Pentest-Tools offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to a subscription. This is a huge advantage because you get to see if it aligns with your needs without dropping a dime. If you decide to move forward, there's a solid range of plans based on what kind of testing you need. So if you're ready to give Pentest-Tools a try for yourself and see how it compares to other penetration testing tools, click the first link in the description below to get access to the best offer and some exclusive benefits. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this platform has the tools you need to secure your network and applications. Try it out now, risk-free, and take your security testing to the next level.